Hello everyone, welcome back to another 3 Minutes at 3.
Today's topic is every cloud has a silver lining.
Go ahead.
Okay, then I'll roll
Where's
with it.
your silver lining?
Yes, my silver lining is that I get to do all of the talking this time.
Yes indeed.
So,
Most of it.
Okay,
So.
yeah, I know. You're gonna squeeze a few words in there.
Go ahead.
All right. So it's inevitable that bad things are going to happen at some point. Bad circumstances are going to pop out, or things are not going to go quite the way you planned or the way you would have hoped that they would have gone. And at that juncture, you get to choose whether you're going to let that ruin you or ruin the rest of your day, or if you're still going to try to look for something positive out of the situation. Now, I myself tend to be a little more towards the Eeyore side, as Roy can attest. If you're not familiar with the donkey off of Winnie the Pooh, that
Lock and keys, fellas. Lock and key.
Okay. Well, anyway, I just am. So I have that tendency that when something negative happens that I get sad or depressed easily. And I really have a friend that I look up to, and my friend, no matter what happens, she can still find something positive out of this situation. You know, she went to a friend's wedding and the electricity went out, and, you know, she said, hey, this is a cool opportunity to, you know, light out, to get some candles, or we can all go outdoors, and she still made the best out of it. And so I really look up to her for that, for just taking that mindset, that attitude that despite bad things, you can still find good things in the midst of it.
Yeah. And, you know, in life, you're always going to take and have, you know, storms. It's just life. We're all living it. We're not going to escape it. One day we will. Permanently. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And then, hey, that even has a silver lining, you know? Like you're feeding worms and whatnot, you know? They're having a good old time, right? So it's a feast, right? And so even that can have a morbid but silver lining, you know? Things, I think it just comes down to you can't take the rolls and the punches of life and just take them so gosh darn seriously. That's how I find a silver lining in things, and I can be very jovial about very serious subjects and things like that, because I'm always looking for a way of converting that to something positive. And then, you know, if you're not looking for a silver lining, you're never going to find one. That's the big key there.
Yeah, exactly.
So that's going to be it for this 3 Minutes at 3. We really hope you enjoyed it.
Thank you for joining us.
And like we always say, God bless you.
And we'll catch you on the next one.